Welcome back, everybody. This is 30 Seconds Excel Solve, and we will solve today another question. The question is how to create a forecasting dynamic date. This is used mostly for budgets or forecasting systems. So, in our example, we will see that we have a year that is a starting year, and we want to plan for the next 5 years. So, generally, what we have to do is just making a formula, and there it is. So make this formula. So 2014 plus 1. And if you drag this formula on the right, you will get all of the years. But your limit is to find the 5 budget years and not more than 5 budget years. So what we should do on that case and how to do that dynamic so when we change the starting year or the budget years, those appear on my analysis. For doing that, we have to apply an if condition. So let's do that together. So we put if and we write that if this equation, which is starting year plus 1 and the continuing years plus 1, if that, and we put that on brackets, is less or equal to this starting year plus the budget years, but we have to ensure that this is fixed, because when we will drag, if that is not fixed, then that will move on the right, even on those cases. So let's make that absolute. Here it is. After doing that, so if my calculation is less than this maximum allowed budget years, then on that case, if it is less, then continue with the calculation. Otherwise, you have to stop the calculation just by leaving blank what we will have in the right. So here it is. So now, after I have applied this if condition, if I go to the right, you see that I'm getting all of these cases. And now there is an error there. Why? Because the next value here is blank. For not having any error, we should enter another if condition here. So if all of this calculation is an error, so if this is true, then on that case, leave blank. Otherwise, perform this calculation. We copy, we paste, and here it is, the full calculation. And if we drag to the right now, you will see that we will have not any problem. So, as you see, now I have just 5 years forecast. So if I change that 2014 to 2020, I have ensured first that this is equal to my starting year. You'll see that the budget years are forecasted as per the request that we have. And if I change this to 7, now you see that 2 other years are appearing there. So this is how to create a dynamic date on a forecast. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.